Guys, hindi nyo kailangan magbayad ng mahal para matuto ng FB ads. However, my question is, bakit Facebook ads lang ang gusto nyong pag-aralan? May backstory pa to comment na to. Ang sabi niya kasi, nagbayad daw siya ng 99 pesos. Pagkatapos nakita niya na nakaw pala na course or class yung binayaran niyang 90 pesos and hindi na rin niya tinapos because mahaba pa basta may nabagit pa ng YouTube. And yes guys, hindi niyo kailangan magbayad ng mahal. I have a friend, si John Cornwell, nagpo-post siya kung paano mag-create ng ads, mag-run ng ads, and he's doing it for free sa YouTube niya. The only reason I think that it would make sense to pay for a course or a class ng pag-run ng ads is for you to have an actual experience kung paano nga ba ginagawa yon. Magkaroon kayo ng access dun sa backend just to see how it goes. Or magkaroon kayo ng idea paano nga ba yung feeling ng isang media buyer. Media buying kasi, at hindi lang dapat Facebook ads ang pinag-aaralan. Media buying guys is pag-create ng mga targeted ads. It has measurable results. So dapat marunong din kayong tumingin nun. A lot of businesses right now, they're running ads because they want to have more brand visibility. So a lot of businesses, they want to start running ads not just to get more conversions, but more on having the opportunity to showcase their products and services in front of their targeted audience, meaning yung mga target nila na customers. And again, guys, instead of just looking at Facebook ads, pag-aralan yung lahat. Pinakang importante is Google. You have to know how to run Google ads. You have to learn how to do FB, Instagram, TikTok. Ang daming platforms ngayon na kailangan familiar kayo. And if hindi nyo alam kung ano yung pinakang basic of running ads, ano yung mga importanteng metrics na kailangan tingnan, it wouldn't really have any bearing when you start running ads. Kasi medyo complicated siya. Now, if you want to learn how to run ads, paano nga ba yung media buying, we have a class, it's called PPC or pay-per-click. It's a type of media buying na mas focused on pay-per-click. So, yung costing niya is based on the number of clicks that your ads get. Yung class namin, it also includes 2 weeks of internship. So, yes, after nung 2 araw na live class ngayong weekend, 4 to 8 p.m. siya, Saturday and Sunday, magkakaroon kayo ng 2 weeks na internship. So, hopefully, during the course of that class and internship, magkaroon kayo ng familiarity sa mga platforms, paano mag-run, ano yung mga metrics na titingnan, ano yung mga KPIs na madalas importante sa mga clients if you are hired as a media buyer. If you guys are interested to enroll, i-click nyo lang tong link sa bio ko. Pag hindi gumagana yan, copy and paste or punta kayo ng Facebook. Nasa Instagram din ako, i-click nyo lang tong link na nandito. And as I was saying earlier, kapag di gumana yung mga links na yon, punta lang kayo sa Facebook, nandito na yung direct link sa caption. If sa YouTube nyo naman nakita tong video na to, check nyo na lang yung description box. You guys will then be taken to this page. Scroll nyo lang siya pataas hanggang makarating kayo dito sa page na to, dito sa part na to ng page. Tapos makikita nyo dyan, 999 PPC Media Buying Virtual Assistant. Pag-click nyo ng form, nandyan na lahat ng kailangan yung malaman tungkol doon sa class. Again, the class is this coming Saturday and Sunday na 4 till 8 p.m. Magko-close na tong class na to this coming Friday ha. So mag-enroll na kayo. Hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!